In this question, it is given that a new variety of rice was patented by a foreign company, though such varieties have been present in India for a long time. So this is related to option A, CO667. It is incorrect because it is a sugarcane variety and not a rice variety. Option B, Sharbati Sonora. This is also incorrect because Sharbati Sonora is a wheat variety which is developed during Green Revolution in India. Option C, Basmati. Now, in 1997, an American company got patent rights on basmati rice through the US Patent and Trademark Office that was actually derived from the Indian farmers' varieties. The diversity of rice in India, we know that it is one of the richest in the world, and 27 varieties of basmati are grown in India. An Indian basmati was crossed with a semi dwarf variety and then it was claimed as an invention or a novelty. So, this was definitely a case of biopiracy, though it sought to claim rights over a product traditionally associated with the Indian subcontinent. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, Larmo Rojo. It is also incorrect because it is a wheat variety and not a rice variety.